Hey, you guys. All right, so I am so excited because today I am going to be hiring my very first operational general manager, okay, to work in the office and help us out in the office because we are growing as a company and we're growing really fast, and I really want to crush it this year. Like, I want to phew. And in order to do that, we're going to need some help in the office. We're going to need some help on the back end, okay? So I just hired my very first operational manager, okay? So I'm so excited, y'all. I'm so pumped up, man. This is a learning experience for me. In the beginning, we was like, man, I don't even know what all the duties are going to be. So we're just really, I wrote out some things, and we're going to really just try this position out and see how it goes, you know. She'll be doing a little bit of quality control inspection, just kind of being the overseer of all my contractors out there in the field, because sometimes, not sometimes, damn near all the time, it's hard for us to really be able to tell whether people are being truthful, whether units are ready, whether it's a lot of foolishness that goes on out there, and you really need an overseer, because if you don't have someone hovering over and paying attention like every day to the daily duties and making sure that everybody is doing their job with excellence, not just barely getting by. Like, we don't want to strive for barely and good. We want to strive for excellence in this company. And the only way to do it is to have someone hovering over, you know, and making sure, holding everybody accountable, you know. And I need that. I need that in my company, because we're at the point where I can't do it all. As I grow, a lot of stuff is not being overseen, and then a lot of stuff ends up getting missed because I'm off doing all this other stuff, you know. So I'm pumped up. I'm hiring my very first general manager today. Woo woo! Our new operational manager, Miss Allison. Yeah. Okay. There's no need for makeup, Miss Allison, because listen, I don't have my makeup on either. Okay. So we're just going to be doing like a brief training today, okay? I'm going to be showing you what we do on the back end, all right, in our company. And yesterday we already went over our pain points and everything like that. But today, oh yeah, I'm sorry, I did that. But today, I just wanted to
see it in action.
Yeah, you're going to see it in action today, all right? Right. So we all got our Tenacity shirts on. Woo! Yep. All right, so how does it feel to be a part of Tenacity Clean?
It's always felt great from the beginning. I've always felt like at home.
Awesome.
Yep.
Awesome. Well, we want to thank you for being that addition. For the last year, I've been going back and forth with how we were going to make this transition, you know, with bringing you aboard to helping us out on the back end. But this is one of those times when I'm just going to just do it. And we're going to figure it out as we go along. You know what I mean? We'll just figure it all out as we go along. But I think that we chose the right person. If anything gets too hard for you, just let us know. We're all going through our growing pains right now. Okay? But congratulations to Allison. She's a part of the team, you guys. All right. So when do you know it's time to hire a general manager, ops manager, executive, whatever, okay? Are you struggling with marketing and advertising for your cleaning company? If so, guess what? I just created a free ebook. Yes, a free ebook on 99 ways that you can market and advertise your cleaning company. Okay, I highly suggest that you guys click the link down below and tap into our free ebook. Okay, you can't beat free, you guys. I took my time out. This is my first ebook that I've ever created. Okay, so bear with me. I'm not Shakespeare, but one thing that I do like about this ebook is this is the type of book that I would read. Okay, because a lot of entrepreneurs don't have a lot of time, okay? So I took my time to put together a easy read book that you can go through 99 different tips for advertising and marketing your cleaning company, okay? Right here, click the link down below. Get it. It's free. Why not get it? It is free. Tap in. Let me know how you like it. Bye-bye. For me, when I first started my cleaning company, I remember that the workload got really, really heavy for me. Even though I was using my kids as my employees in the beginning, the work just started to just really get overwhelming, and my teenagers, they started having attitudes, and you know how it is. So I couldn't really rely on them. So at that moment, I said, okay, I gotta find some help. So the workload got heavy, and not only that, but I also had to save up some payroll inside of my bank account. I had to save up the payroll in my bank account. Okay, so the workload got heavy. When the workload got a little heavy, and I noticed that I needed some help, I started saving up a little bit, and I started calling all of my prospects. Now, prior to the workload getting heavy, whenever it was slow, I would always do some interviews, and I would interview people all the time. I kept a habit of interviewing employees, because in the beginning I had employees. So I would interview people. I would make a list of employees, qualified candidates, okay? And I made it a habit to do this every week. Interview somebody every week. Hold some interview sessions, because I know I needed a list. So when the workload got heavy and I was able to create a schedule for someone, that is when I started to outsource and find my first employee to help me out, okay? What really pushed me is one night I was in an apartment until about 8 o'clock. It was nighttime. I was out there. I was in a dangerous area. And I shouldn't have been out there, but I put too much work on myself, and it ended up me cleaning the apartment at 8 o'clock at night, okay, with no help, because all my kids were, my teenagers, they had little attitudes and stuff. So in that moment, I said, no more. I'm going to go find me some help. This won't make or break me. I'm going to show you and all that. So I had that attitude. Now, fast forward to today. I am out of the cleaning field. I do not clean anymore, okay? I have more than enough contractors to do the work, but I started to get that same feeling, the feeling of being overwhelmed in the office. That feeling of just work overload in the office this time. So back in the day, I got that feeling of overload in the field. Now I got that overload feeling in the office. And Lord behold, I said, we have to find somebody to help us out in this office, I got my assistant, but when I tell you we work, okay? We work on Tenacity Clean, Tenacity Academy every day. And the workload is just like hovering over us, right? So I decided to take one of our best players, who is Miss Allison. She's our quality control inspector already out there in the field, but she mainly cleans the units. And when I tell you, all of my clients just love this lady, okay? So I decided to take my number one player that all of my clients keep talking about and pull her in the office with us and make her the, what's the name? General manager. We're still working on the name, the what do you call it, the position, because it's just so many different things that come with it. My assistant here, she came up with executive operational manager, and then I came up with general operation manager. All in all, we're trying to figure it out, but she is like under operations. What we need her to do is oversee out there in the field, because it's hard for us to do anything, and as you grow as a company, it starts to get a little sloppy out there, you know what I mean? So we've had situations where clients aren't happy, and we just need an overseer all in all, just to make sure that the ladies are there, that the units are getting turned properly, that the clients are happy. We have walkthroughs almost every day, so she'll be helping us out with our walkthroughs. I have someone to answer my phone, but he's in the Philippines, and sometimes he's asleep around the times when I need him to answer the phone. So she'll be helping us out with that as well. So it's just an all in all. This is my first time hiring somebody for this position. My very first time. So she understands that we're going to go through growing pains. It's not like a big, huge company like Apple, and I've done this several times. No, this is my very first time hiring someone to work in my office. Not only work in the office, but be an overseer out there in the field. Okay, so my initial goal is to move out of Savannah, and I can't really get to that level until I fix everything here first, so we're working on it. I'm just sharing my story with you. Okay, y'all leave some comments down below, like, comment, subscribe, and let me know, are you guys thinking about hiring general managers yet? Are y'all get to that level yet? Or are you thinking about hiring any workers yet? Because the more you hire, the more you grow. All right, just remember, the more you hire, the more you grow. I've been thinking about this for probably the last year. But it's only been a thought in my head, But today, I said, no more thinking about it. I'm just going to do it, and I'll figure it out along the way, okay? We're going to make a position for her, make up the schedule for her, and we're just going to figure it out along the way. We're going to jump out there and we're going to figure it out, all right? But like, comment, subscribe down below, and let me know what you guys think about this video. I'm out of here. Bye-bye.